good evening. Hope you are doing well. We are going to learn a bit with SPSS. This one is our first session with SPSS. Then, first of all, we want to learn how to import data to SPSS before to run. Okay. If, for example, you collected your data using a physical paper, then you can just type directly. But if you have already data on Excel or CSV format, you can just import it to SPSS before to analyze. Yeah, that is. Then, first of all, what we need to do is just to go there under file, now open. If, for example, my data is in Excel format, it's okay. But if it's in CSV format, I can come here, the text data, because CSV is in text format. Then let's go there, because what we need to take here is an XLS format. Then let me take it. Then it will give me access to my computer. But first of all, come here and now go and take Excel. Yeah. Then here, when you see here, I have my data under download. I have just to go and look for the data I want to just import. And now going. Okay, this one I want to take. I click just on it and open. And now, okay, and it will just come. Yeah, it will come. You have just to go there and look at it. Yeah. That is my data. Now you can see the data under data view. You have data, and if you want to see the characteristics of this data, you have just to go for a variable view. And under variable view, you have many things here. The type of the data you have. For example, here we have numeric, string, and okay. And for the numeric, for example, we have what's called nominal and what's called scale. Okay. Stata is just considering those numeric discrete data as scale. I'm talking about SPSS. Yeah? SPSS is considering those numeric and discrete as scale, and not those numeric and ordinal as nominal. Okay, and here it should be also it could be also ordinal. No problem, because now just here when you take this one, you can say that it's a binary variables 1 and 0. Yeah, then those one you can see like flat and flower and so on here are those space are taken as nominal, but those one scale are those numeric discrete one. And now here like okay, telling us missing, there is no missing values and so on. And here because decimal is just 0, because we have here those numeric discrete, but where we have numeric continuous, you can see that we have some numbers and so on. That is, and string also is nominal data. Then you can just see string is just those character of things you have. Then let's also go back to our data. It is here, and now because we have already data inside, we can at least do what we are calling descriptive statistic. And now we can use this part, analyze, and now go descriptive statistic. And descriptive statistic, now we can use either frequencies or descriptive. Okay, frequencies is giving us more options. All data is just available, and we have many options. Then we can just use it. Go in there. Considering we can just start with the descriptive statistic of the quantitative data. Yeah, let's just take for example hours, age, yeah, experience, and this one for example, and now put them there. Then we can go on statistic. Yeah, from here we can choose those different elements we want to be part of our descriptive statistic. We have mean, we have median, we have mode, Okay, we can also take standard deviation. We don't need, when we are taking standard deviation, we don't need variance again, because they are playing the same role. Minimum, maximum. Also, we can add quartile. And now we'll go back. Okay, then because now we are just doing the descriptive statistic of those quantitative discrete data, we should uncheck this one. Yeah, because now we don't need those frequency table about the quantitative data, discrete data. Then what we have is okay. We can also here go here and add some graphs if we need, like histograms of what we are just having, and that is now. And we can also click here if we can now choose the option we want, like if we want ascending values, descending value, and so on. We don't need these kind of things. And just come and click OK, and we'll have our result. Okay, can you see the statistic of what those variables we chose? Hours, age, experience, and this one. Okay, there is no missing value. For example, we have mean, which is there, median, which is there. Okay, mode, yeah, and deviation, minimum, maximum. Okay, minimum as the name is the minimum value inside those variables. Like when you are taking variable hour, the minimum value is 0 and the maximum is now for 4,950. And now we have those percentiles. This one is the first interquartile, second interquartile, and the third interquartile. The second interquartile is the same like the median. Can you see this one and this one are the same? Yeah, wherever you are just seeing them. Okay, and also we have median, which is which can in some situation be equal to mean, and can also be totally different from. I mean, can you see the difference here? That it's totally different. That is, and now because we checked also histogram. When just coming down, you can see those histogram. When you check hours, that's the histogram for hours. Yeah, and now age also, that's the histogram of age and so on. Can you see yeah, those all those variables, each one was coming with the histogram and so on. That is then what we learned from these videos, just to see how to import data from to our SPSS, and now how to do a descriptive statistic. Either is the descriptive quantitative one, okay, numeric discrete quantitative one, a numeric discrete one. And now when we are talking about descriptive statistic of the categorical or nominal variables, something which is just different. Let's go back and do that. Okay, again, they are frequencies. Okay, what we need here now, what we need here is just to remove those one because they are quantitative discrete one. Okay, and take those nominal, those one like this one, yeah, the symbol is like flower. Yeah, those one are nominal. We can take them and now do the descriptive about them. And here we don't need those kind of things, mean and so on, because mean, median, mode are just those consider what we need when we are dealing with quantitative discrete or quantitative continuous data. Now we have qualitative or nominal ones. What we need just to display those frequency tables is what we need, and we have to check on it. And now chart also we don't need those kind of things again. None. Okay, then let's do that and see what will happen. Okay, can we see our frequencies table? Yeah, this one for example was binary 0 and 1. That's the frequency, and now the percentages and the cumulative percentages. And this one is this one has 4 options. It's a categorical one. And now can you see also the different percentages we are having there? Can you see? Yeah, have there 0 is like 258 times. That's the percentage. When you are taking 4, for example, it is 30 times, and the percentage 4%. That is what we need when we are dealing with those qualitative or nominal data. Thank you so much. Hope that this video will help.